have three options to spend your time. First option is the Akrotiri Excavation Museum. About the Akrotiri Excavation Museum, the entrance is 12 euros. It's not included in our excursion, okay? It's 12 euros per person, and it depends if you're a European citizen and from your age. You need to ask the info desk for more information, okay? So, about the Excavation Museum, you can find also one cafeteria inside and a restroom area. The second option is the Red Beach, okay? For the Red Beach, if you want to, you're gonna join me to the Red Beach, and then on the way back we can go even to the Excavation Museum or to the cafeteria. I'm gonna explain you about this. So for the Red Beach, we are not able to go for swimming. You know, for your safety as an organized group, we are not recommended to you to go for swimming. If you just want to go individually, you know, it's with your responsibility, but just for your safety, we're not recommended this. It's full of rocks, so all the rocks coming down, so you know, we don't want to have injuries, okay? Otherwise, if you want to go, you can go. You know, you should be very, very careful. You're gonna see a lot of people going over there for swimming, but you need to go from the path that is full of rocks. Otherwise, it's not easy to get down, only with boat, okay? So, to go to the Red Beach, we need to go by foot, okay? So in this situation, we need to walk half kilometer the way to go and half kilometer the way back. Totally 1 kilometer, okay? So it's 10 minutes walking. It's not so far, okay? Even in this situation. And also, just to tell you that we have the third option. The third option is the cafeteria that is next to the Akrotiri beach, okay? Over there you can also have a rest and have a drinks. About our lunch, it's better for us because we're gonna be in a hurry over here just to have our lunch in Fira, because in Fira we're gonna have almost 3 hours. We're gonna stop over here exactly. I'm gonna say you where is everything. To this side, to the left, we have the Excavation Museum, okay? This is the entrance of the Excavation Museum. And to the right, we have also the Red Beach, okay? Right, Red Beach, all the way down cafeteria.
So guys, we're going to the Red Beach.
Cold sweats in the middle of the night and flashbacks of you and I in your sweats. How'd you make me feel so nice? Now I'm starting to see this new guy, but it just don't feel right, even though he might be. And you're so bad for me, but I want your love every morning, waking up with him, but I wish you'd call me. I still miss our extremes. Like your come over text at midnight, rolling out of bed for your lies, putting glitter on my blind eyes. Loving you wasn't as it seemed, and finding good and bad and ugly. Deep down knowing you don't love me, I'd live again before the morning. Loving you was a fever dream.
Because it's an island and we have a lot of sailors over here. Just to tell you that Saint Nicholas is the protector of the sailors, and that's why a lot of times you're gonna see a lot of sailors just to stop over here, go to pray for their lives, and of course going back to their boats. They're just doing this because they just want to be careful, just to help with praying for their health and not to get lost in the sea, of course, okay? So let's go out to see more beautiful things and of course the beautiful.
I must have been so sick for your touch to be the fix. Fell in love with being used. I wish I was me with gifts and flowers. it's just so bad for me. But I want your love every morning, waking up with him, but I wish you'd call me. I still miss our extreme. Like your come over text at midnight, rolling out of bed for your lies, putting glitter on my blind eyes. Loving you wasn't as it seemed, and finding good and bad and ugly. Deep down knowing you don't love me, I'd live again before the morning. Loving you was a fever dream. Back when we were young, I would think you're too good. I never tasted anything before so sweet. All the days we spent together when we fell in love were took for granted. Now I stand here 'cause I miss your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. I miss the way that you say my name. You're too good. I'd never heard of anything before.
Red Beach is without a doubt worth a visit, considering that it is a rare sight, probably unique in the whole world, where red is the dominant color. This is one of the most scenic and interesting beaches on the island, located near Akrotiri village. Very nice.
I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. I miss your love, your love, your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love. Cold sweats in the middle of the night, and flashbacks of you and I in your sweats. How'd you make me feel so nice? Now I'm
Thank
starting
you
to
all for
see
watching,
this
and
new
see you on
guy,
my next vlog.
but it just don't feel